Good morning everyone, I'm hoping you're having an amazing day. It's Ame. So today I'm gonna take you a tour of this Chow Kit Market or Pasar Chow Kit, also known as a mini-Indonesia, because we are here to look for Indonesian Cobek. This is how Cobek looks like. So how you use this is that you grind chilies to make it like sambal. So yeah, we want to find the one that use this type of stone, so you can grind chili, you can get amazing sambal. So I believe we can find it here because it's also known as a mini-Indonesia. The place is called Pasar Chow Kit or Chow Kit Market. So let's go inside this market and see if we can find this cobek. I think we are close to that shop selling lot of Indonesian stuff. I mean, they got like Indonesian soy sauce and everything. So it's located here in where they sells all these vegetables. And yeah, this is the one that we're looking for. There's two type. I think that is the one made of clay, and if you go inside, and this one is made out of stone. So we want the one that use stone. Yeah, you see there's a lot of this one is not Indonesian, yeah, but actually you can find a lot of Indonesian food here. And yeah, now I'm gonna choose the handle or the grinder, I don't know what it calls it, but yeah, I'm so happy that we finally find it. And yeah, I'm gonna buy this thing. Okay, so actually it's a very hot day today, so it's the best time for us to get some cendol. Okay guys, so this place is actually famous for their cendol durian, but we're gonna have the plain cendol. So we are looking at this, she's now putting ice in that grinder. We're gonna get shaved ice, and then she's gonna put some cendol. That green noodle is called cendol. It's made of rice flour. And she's gonna put all this coconut milk, and is that corn? Yeah, and yeah, that's corn. And here is our cendol. It's a normal cendol. So give this a quick stir. Let's mix it all the ingredient. Oh, I'm expecting it to be a little brownish from the brown sugar, but it's not as brown as we usually had. I don't know if this is sweet or not. Let's try. It's very sweet. Wow. Oh guys, look, this is cendol durian. So the table next to us ordered the cendol durian. So it's just same like us, plain cendol, but they top it with some durian. And yeah, if you like cendol and durian, then you can have this one. So yeah, this channel is actually very sweet. Oh, it's so refreshing. It's so nice during a hot day like this. Cendol is very good. Wow, I like it. Okay, alright, so guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to press thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more food video. And I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.